Hi and welcome to Ocean AI. This is a crypto weekly market outlook for the 5th of September. So firstly just going to do the total market cap, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and I'll do Solana as well. That's all I'll do today. Those are the ones that have got the nicest patterns at the moment. So firstly, with the total market cap here, if we look at the daily chart, we're looking for ABCD completion down around 650 billion here. And if we look at some of the other ones like Bitcoin, Solana as well, and Ethereum, they've got to make one more low to complete the same pattern, although Ethereum's already completed the pattern, but we'll have a look at that one shortly. So we start with this one, we're going to just zoom in a bit here. I'll go from a daily down to a 4 hour. And we had lots of nice patterns moving up from the June low. But for me, this is all corrective. That's what I think we're going to take out this low here and head down towards that 650 billion. So now what we've done, we've had this high here and we've had a impulsive wave down. So with that, this is from last week, I'll get rid of that now. So now looking for a rally. Ideally like to see it rally up into just above the million there, to the 382, 1.01. But it can even go as high as 1.07 here. This is sort of the target zone. But the way it's going, it's been very weak coming out of here. We've been here for pretty much a week trying to rally, and it hasn't rallied yet. So I think if we can get up into here, this is where we'll see it fall down for the next leg. And that's where we'll get that move down into that 650 we're looking at. So if we can get a move up into the 382 here, I think that'll set us up for the next leg lower, ultimately heading down to here. So really that's it with the total market cap. So look, moving on to the Bitcoin. Same thing here. So we've had Bitcoin was a lot weaker coming out of that low. And we're still looking for that. That's the ABCD here, that final target down around the 12K level, but it could go down to sort of 10.5. If this got an ABCD pattern from this high as well, if we run that one there to that one there, that takes us down to around that 10,650 area. So that'll be one to watch. But this whole area here, you've got multiple levels. You've got the 88% level from, just going to have a quick look at the daily. Back in the COVID lows, so that 88% levels back here. And we've got the big pattern from the all-time high there. That comes down to that 12K level. So there's a lot of patterns completing in this area. That's what I'm looking for. Lower prices there. Go back into the hourly, and it's similar to the total market cap, what we're looking for. We've had this corrective move top out here, and we've had this first move lower. So looking for a rally. We might get one more move down into the 78% here, around 19.2. That would just be a move down to here, and then we'd be looking for that ABCD move up here over the next few days to a week, then looking for that next move down. So either the lows in here, but we haven't seen that move up yet, so that's why I'm thinking this could be all corrective. We might get one more move lower, but either way, we don't really want to trade in here. What we want to do is wait for the move up. If we can get something up here, then that'll be the place to go short, looking for that next move down. Also, if we wanted to trade that intraday, we'd be looking for that first rally, then an ABCD back 50-60%, then looking for that leg there. So that would look something like this. So we got that move there. You're looking for that 50 to 60% move back. Take away that one and that one. That would see us back into here and then rally. So wherever this low comes in, whether it's coming down to here or whether the low's in already, we'll look for a move up, then a pullback for a short-term trade to the upside, and ultimately looking for that short coming to the downside. So that's Bitcoin. Ethereum, very similar. Start with the daily there. See how it's completed that ABCD down from the high. But what it hasn't done, it hasn't come down to that 88%. So if we put in the 78% on that one and the 88, take away those ones. So we've been to the 78, but we haven't been down to the 88. So that's where Bitcoin could be heading, and the same with Ethereum as well. So that's where we're looking at that 650 area. Let's go into the smaller time frame, go into the 1 hour. So this pattern here, looking for ABCD down to 1200. And that would bring us in at the 78% from this low here. And then we could get a rally. So this could possibly be a low in here as well, because we had quite a decent move out of that low compared to Bitcoin and others. So we may see Ethereum being stronger than Bitcoin in the long run. So something to keep an eye out on. So we could also get a 3 drive down into this low. So if we just take this one, this one, this one, and this one, that would bring us down into this area here. So we may not, if it's going to be bullish, this will be the area it'll take off from. So we need to watch that as well. So possible bullish scenario here. This could turn from here, run down to here, and then we could see that going higher again. So there's a few options there with the Bitcoin and Ethereum here as well. On the shorter term, if we go into a 15-minute, there is a possibility of a short trade in here. So we've had this high come in. There's a nice 3 drive pattern there. So I'll take this one away. This one here, we had that pattern in there up into the 78% level. And we've seen a drop from there, and this is looking corrective again. So I think if we could get this up to around that 16,000 again, I think that would be a good place to short, just a short-term short, looking for that move down towards 1300. So I'll keep an eye on this morning, but probably put a trade in around 16,000 if we get that rally in there. Only risking about 50 points, stop about there. So I'll post that anyway. So that's Ethereum. I'll have a look at Solana. Go to the daily first. So Solana's been quite weak, coming off those lows as well. So I think we could be hitting lower, taking out this low here, and then possibly even down to 20. That would take us, same as the other ones, looking for that. Are we already down there? What's that one? Yeah, we're already down to the 89% here. So yeah, looking really weak. I do think we'll probably go lower. How low, not too sure, but I think we need to look for a rally first and then look to sell that. We had all these patterns in. I've got a 4 hour. We had multiple patterns finishing up here around that 48 level. We had the first ABCD up in here, which sold off nicely, but then that gave us a Gartley pattern to buy. And then we've completed an ABCD back up into that 48, drop lower. So this is all corrective, and we've had have had this quick drop down here, so similar to the Bitcoin. Looking for this move up. If we can get it up into sort of 37 to 40 area here, then we'll be looking to sell off that one as well, because we were really weak off the bottom here over the last week here. So same thing here with the Ethereum there. We could be one more little low here before we get that rally. So we'll keep an eye on that. Nothing to do here now. Ideally looking for a rally to sell, or if we get one more low and then we do get a rally, then looking to buy the pullback, first pullback, and then riding that up and then looking to flip it. So yeah, that's an update of the crypto market this morning. Not much else to look at. I'll just stick to the big ones for now and post a few charts with other things to look at. So yeah, hope this helps. Thanks for tuning in. Cheers.